And we're just now gonna do this hallway right up here. But as you can see, everything came out nice. The assistant's doing our pre-mopping here. And we're gonna go over with the machine for the extraction process. We got there, the scuff marks came out really well. Mopping doesn't get that out. And it doesn't, and our process doesn't get out the imperfections that are in the floor, like gouges and scratches. You've got to refinish the floors to do that. And this is just a deep clean process, but it's going to make the floors look like $1 million when we're done. So far, we did in here, we're going to do in here now. Well, obviously I couldn't show you all the steps in these areas. It would take me too long, but you get the idea. You can see we mopped. We used this mop the whole time. Look what the mop left behind.